Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues where for some reason your Instagram DMs are just not working. Now, this can always happen for a couple of different reasons, but if this is happening for randomly no reason and you don't know why this is happening, this may actually be because Instagram may actually temporarily be down. A great way to tell this is basically looking in the comment section of this video. You can leave a comment too and sort the latest comments and actually see if a lot of people are commenting at the same time. If you are noticing a lot of people are commenting, then Instagram DMs are probably down. But on top of that, you can make your way over to something like, downdetector.com. That website will also show you whether, TikTok is actually down or not. You can also make your way over to Twitter. And if Instagram is down as trending, then that probably means Instagram is actually down. Now, let's say you do all those things and, a lot of people are commenting and Instagram's down. Well, you pretty much just have to wait it out and that'll pretty much fix it from there. Now, let's say for some reason nobody's commenting anything and down detector, all these people are saying that everything's working fine. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is actually checking your network connection. So you want to make your way over to your Wi-Fi settings here, and you want to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or data or whatever it is, cell signal, and then you want to start loading up some other apps. So make your way over to something like the App Store, and try loading things out. I mean, if it takes a long time to load these things, then it may be a problem with your cell connection or your data connection, and that's pretty much the main way to fix it. If it's a Wi-Fi connection problem, you just have to connect to better Wi-Fi. If it's cell signal problem, just get to an area with better signal, and that'll pretty much fix it from there. If it's still not fixed, what you probably want to do here is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your App Store or the Google Play Store. You want to click on the search button, and you want to go and type in Instagram just like so. So you want to go ahead and find the Instagram application, you want to go and click on it, and you want to see if there's an update available. If there is an update, all you have to do is go ahead and update your specific application, and that should end up fixing it for a majority of you. If that doesn't fix it still, well, the next thing I would recommend doing is making your way over to Instagram again, closing out and going back in. So just hopping out of Instagram like this, going out and going back into it, see if that fixed it. If not, you may actually have to reinstall Instagram. So delete Instagram, reinstall it, and see if that fixed it. If it's still not working, you can try updating your phone, restarting your phone, but ultimately Instagram may actually be down and there's really nothing you can do, and you're probably one of the first people to find out. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.